What is up, everybody? This is FNH with a brand new video to talk about the Osmo Pocket. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing slash review and a test of the Osmo Pocket as well. I'm extremely excited that I actually purchased this. I'm going to be making a lot of my new YouTube videos from this. I was actually debating between this and the GoPro Hero 7 Plus, but I ended up going with the Osmo Pocket because of its compact size and its other great features that it comes with. So let's get right into it. So we're going to unbox it and go from there. So let's see, how the hell do you even open this? So there's a tape here. The price point for this is $350 right now on Amazon. It is on sale for $340. It's only $10 off. I bought the bundled version, which cost about $380. It came with a memory card, I believe a tripod, I think a battery pack. It was like some extra features. I'll leave a link for both below in the description for you guys to check out. I don't want to rip this, so I'm going to try to push it as much as I can. All right, great. All right, so we have it out, and we have so there's the Osmo Shield. They have like specific cards, and there's more information, I guess, as well regarding this. By the way, this is by DJI, the ones who makes drones and all that other good stuff. They make gimbals as well. It's by them. So there's a few other things that this thing, just to like let you know in a nutshell of how the Osmo works, is there are certain items that it does not. Let's see if I can open it this way. Oh, I can. That this does not, essentially, you can't have it activated without having essentially an iPhone with a lightning cable, or a USB-C phone, which is a bit harder to find. So like if you have your normal Android phones or an older iPhone, you probably won't be able to activate this, which kind of sucks because you need their apps to activate it. I have it, I don't care, but I can see some people who might not have it. They just purchased this, they're like, ah, dang it, now how do I activate it? They could even have like a good Android phone, but just not USB-C compatible, so that kind of sucks. So getting right into it, it does record 4K 60 frames per second. It has a photo option, but people apparently said that kind of sucks, so I would stray away from it. I mostly got it so I can make my travel videos or my a lot of my other videos that I'm going to be making. It has a gimbal, as you can see. It's essentially attached within it. I do want to test it out, but I probably won't. I'm just going to mostly discuss about these features from the apps and what basically came with it. So overall, it has a very good heavy feel to it. So it's actually pretty good and sturdy. I like it. It's a good hand size. It's literally very hand size. You can see it's probably like less than 6 inches. It's fitting completely on my hand. And just to get these things out of the way. So I still don't have it powered on. There's the screen is over here as well. You can, when you turn it on, it's like fairly minimal, but it does show you exactly what's going on. This is the case that it comes with. It has all the instructions and everything with it, but just to talk about the case itself, it's overall extremely compact. Let's see if I'm doing this right. So you can see this literally fits into the case, and you boom, put it right in your pocket. So it's extremely compact. It's extremely efficient. I actually do like this. I don't know if I put it right, because I know you can charge from the case as well. So I probably put it wrong. I did put it wrong. I apologize. Is it like this? But yeah, you can essentially charge from the case as well, so you don't have to like stress about how to charge it and where to charge it. So you can see you can have it charged from here. It's a USB-C cable that you can charge from. It kind of sucks that it's at the bottom. There's no dongle on it, so you have to, like, if you want to put like your wireless mic or just a mic in general to record, you have to get a dongle or a wire for it. It's fairly expensive. I have one ordered. I got one for $30. I'll do a review on that as well. So that kind of sucks, but you have to, like, there's no aux cord or anything that you can like put in here. Aux, whatever that thing is called, the jack, audio jack, sorry. But yeah, you have this one, which again kind of sucks. The memory card goes over here. This is where, like I was saying, essentially you put in to connect your phone and whatnot if you want to, because most of your settings are done through the phone, which then you can save and then put it away, and then you can just record from your hand. But again, if you need to like record from your phone, you can like move the camera around if you don't have it like set up. I know there's like certain features you can just press from here. It basically faces towards you, and then you can make it face towards there. I'll do a completely separate video on how to basically work it, but I'm going to do a test video to show you the quality of it, how it does, how it lasts, and I'm then going to do another comparison video, completely separate video, on essentially this gimbal or camera versus the iPhone Zhiyun gimbal. Like, I want to show you the comparative between the two, because again, this is fairly in your hand. I don't know how crazy the gimbal is, like will it be able to hold it, because I did the test with the iPhone. It was very, very good. So you can see this is just basically, they provided this, so just if you want to like hold in your hand, just get, like when you're recording, you just have it just in case no one tries to rob you or just tries to fall from your hand. Again, it's extremely small. It's pricey to a sense, like it's $340. You have your wires, you have your adapters that I was speaking of. So just to show you, they do provide the adapters. They do have like all the different features that they provide. So as you can see, they provide both the USB-C and then the USB lightning cable adapter as well. So you can see over here, this is what I'm going to use to basically attach with my phone to like update this and like do all the settings for the firmware updates and whatnot. And this is the USB-C. I don't have a USB-C Android phone. My friend does, and we're going to be like basically sharing. The other person who's on my channel, we're both going to be sharing this. And this is the charging cable basically. Any regular USB-C would work. And you can see over here, this is just the instruction manuals. I think there's, are they both instruction manuals? I believe they're both instruction manuals. They're fairly easy to follow. This is a lot. I'm not going to go through all of this crap. Trust me, it's a pretty thick book. I'm not reading this stuff. And here is some poison if you want to go through it. If you want to eat it, go for it. No, but in all honesty, these are the features for this. I will do like a test drive just to show you the quality of the video. It'll be very basic, and you're going to see it in this video as well. You're going to see like basically the test drive, the quality, and essentially we're going to just go from there. If you overall like it, I'll leave a link, all the links in the description for you guys to check out, and essentially we can go from there. And yeah, let's see. Check out the quality and let me know what you guys think. So guys, as you can see, I'm basically recording outside right now, testing out the Osmo Pocket, and this is internal mic and everything. It does not have a mic attached to it currently, just basically showing you around. I'm moving around. It's extremely gimbal. Like it feels very good to hold in your hands. Overall, like the quality of it, the feel of it, you can see I'm moving around my hand in a good pace, but it follows along in a fairly well and nice fashion. I do like it. Don't know how the audio quality will be. It is a bit windy, so I can't speak on that sense yet. So let's see how that obviously ends up coming out. But I am going to eventually end up buying like a mic for it and whatnot. But this is how it's going currently so far. Overall, do like the quality. It's fairly well. Like I said, I'm moving it around a lot, and you can see it's able to like keep up at a good pace with it. While I was installing it, it has a lot of different like features and functionalities to it, because you had to like set it up through the phone app, as I was mentioning before. So I will make like another tutorial to the best of my abilities after I learn it myself on how to like essentially utilize the features and whatnot. But overall, very good quality. I really much like it. It's going pretty good. There's a lot of different modes as well in it, so we'll see how obviously that one goes. But yeah, overall, I do hope you guys like this tutorial and the test, basically, not the tutorial, this review and testing. Like I said, we'll do more in-depth videos later, and on that, FNH out. Peace.